Alright, this is Image 4 Designs. I just wanted to do another video because the pictures, when I take the pictures of the lures, put them on the website, it just doesn't work. I mean, you just can't see what you're getting. So I'm going to do, this is going to be the Image 4 Gliders 3-ounce plus. You'll see that like this is a 3 1/4. So I just wanted, all these are going on the website right now. So I just thought I'd do a quick video of what they look like. This will be the closest thing I can get to white because it's kind of a pink, yellow, and white. I don't know, but I'm just going to give you an example. You'll see these. This is why I'm doing the video, just so you get an idea. Like this gold head, and like this is all my other ones. Like here, this is one. This is like the thinner profiled ones I have, but you're just not gonna get the look of it through the photos. It just doesn't work. This will actually be the first one on the website I just finished. This is going to be my version of a blueback. I always do the pink to be really bright because it's like you want to my theory is to have the pink stick out brighter than all the other fish. So this is just going to be a bait. So everybody's got their theories, but this is just, you know, I always do the like smoky tops. This is a gold with a black smoky top. Then I got the yellows or golds, I don't know. This is a big old heavy one. This has got like the trout side to it, but this is more of a purple with the blue back. Got a blue head. Like most of these are all the same exact foils, just by changing the base colors I can change the look of it. This is got the black top on it, so I'm just going to go through all these so you get an idea of what they look like compared to the pictures. This is another like a blue back, pinky on the side, whatever. This is just pink. I like doing the white bellies. I don't need to because you can't see the seams, but I just think it really makes it stick out. Here, let's just goof around. Trying different colors. But you see, you know, it's nice and flashy in the water. So all these are the 3 ounce. This is pretty much it. Another one, but like I said, all the other ones. This is like the. If you go back and you're looking at the photo, you look at the photo, you'll say it's not what it looks like when you get it at home. So, anyways, doing my best. So, all right, thanks for watching. Take a look on the website.